A blessed morning to all of you, my dear brothers and sisters. And in the name once more of our dear Rector, Monsignor Rolly, we wish to welcome all of you this first Friday of the month, most especially to our dear pilgrims as we also celebrate the Eucharist. Maligayang pagdating po sa inyong lahat. At the very beginning of our first reading, we were given the challenge that all of our readings would wish us to do. Let brotherly love continue. The letter continued by detailing some important actions or matters to this call. One is called to be hospitable, to be mindful of prisoners, about marriage, about money, and even about their leaders then. At lahat ng ito ay pagpaparamdam ng isang makakapatid na pag-ibig. But, my dear brothers and sisters, we see this differently from the gospel that we have heard today. John was beheaded after speaking the truth. Opo, nahumaling si Herodes kay Juan, pero wala namang pinakitang pag-ibig bilang kapatid. But instead, he reduced the Baptist into silence and eventually was beheaded. The challenge today is so simple, and yet we often forget the value of brotherly love. Being an official himself, a dignified person, Herod forgot to love this brother as his brother. He loved people only when it is comfortable. He loved people when it is only convenient. He loved when he wished to make a promise. That is why he wished not to break his oaths to this girl and to this family. Herod forgot to love as a brother. The author of the letter to the Hebrews intended to place brotherly before the word love, to brand that this love is affectionate, this love is consoling, this love is generous, this love is life-giving, this love is companionship. We show brotherly love not by arrogance, but by our affection. Kapag oras ng krisis, hindi pagmamataas o pang-iiwan ang ginagawang pag-ibig, bagkus pag-ibig na mala kapatid. And this first Friday of the month, we seek the heart of Jesus to inspire all of us to love like a brother or a sister, to love from our hearts. Isang pag-ibig na hindi nampapahamak, pag-ibig na hindi naninira, pag-ibig na hindi nampapatay, pag-ibig na hindi nagdadala ng bigat sa buhay ng tao, pag-ibig na hindi nansasantabi, pag-ibig na hindi nagpapamuno ng dahas. But at every point in life, my dear friends, we say and live as what was taught to us from today's readings, to let brotherly love continue.